Okay, so check this out. Our bunkmate, Sarmiento, this guy right here, is passed out, sleeping, and he snores ridiculously loud. And, alright, this isn't even like half of how he snores. But he has his cell phone on his head while he's sleeping. He's not even listening. He's not even listening to music. Just watch.
See, that's what they do today. They don't give them any credit. Like we get
He's seriously racked. Check this out. Check it. What? Look at the cell phone on the head.
You guys caught me, huh? Fuck you guys. Finally, huh? Am I loud or what?
That was good.
I was loud?
You're just using your cell phone. Bounced on your forehead.
I got good reception. I'll put it on my forehead.
It's your metal plate.
Let me see. Can you hear it? Oh, this is still going?
And that's Sarmiento snoring.
Oh. Second night.